Hi, we are from At Home Tuition. In this video, we are going to see analysis of histogram. That is, a histogram will be given and we have to analyze what are all the important things we have to take from the histogram. And also we are going to see the identifying of suitable graphs based on the given question. So the first question is, the number of hours for which students of a particular class watched the television during holidays is shown through the given graph. Okay, then we have to analyze this histogram and we have to answer the following questions based on the given graph. Okay, so first we'll analyze this histogram. So in the horizontal axis, they have given hours of TV watched per day. And then the number of students in y-axis. So 1 to 2 hours, 4 number of students watched the TV. Similarly, in 2 to 3 hours, 8 students watched. The same way, 3 to 4, 22 students watched. And 4 to 5 hours, 32 students watched. And then 5 to 6 hours, 8 students watched. And 6 to 7 hours, 6 students watched the TV. So this is a histogram because all the class intervals are continuous. 1 to 2, 2 to 3, like that. It's on and it's 6 to 7. So it's a continuous class interval, and then width of all the bars are same, and also the height of this histogram represents the number of students against the number of hours watched TV per J. Now we'll go for analyzing the answers. So first question is, for how many hours did the maximum number of students watch TV? So they've asked maximum number of students. So from the histogram, the maximum number of students watched TV is, so if you analyze the histogram, here it's 4, 8, 22, 32, 8 and 6. So the maximum is 32. So maximum number of students is 32 and it's given against the class interval. If you see in the horizontal axis, this is the class interval. So that is 4 to 5 hours per day. So thus we can say that the maximum number of students watch TV 4 to 5 hours per day and the number of students is 32 students. Next question is, how many students watch TV for less than 4 hours, they have asked. So now we know that hours, number of hours is represented in horizontal axis. So in our question it's given less than 4 hours. So we have to see all the class interval which is less than 4 hours. So it is marked in 3 class intervals, that is 1 to 2, 2 to 3 and 3 to 4. Now we'll see the number of students watched TV in the class interval 1 to 2 hours is 4 students, and the number of students watched TV in the class interval 2 to 3 is 8 students, and the number of students watched the TV in the class interval 3 to 4 hours is 22 students. So now we can find the total number of students watched TV for less than 4 hours. That is, we have to add all the number of students watched. 4 plus 8 plus 22. So if you add up, you will get 4 plus 8 is 12, 12 plus 22 is 34. Thus we can say that 34 students watched TV for less than 4 hours. Next question is, how many students spent more than 5 hours in watching TV? So question is more than 5 hours. So now we have to analyze the histogram and we'll see how much students. So now more than 5 means we have to take it from the class interval 5 to 6 hours and 6 to 7 hours per day. So the number of students watch TV in the class interval 5 to 6 hours is 8 students. The number of students watch TV in the class interval 6 to 7 hours is 6 students. So the total number of students who watch TV more than 5 hours is 8 plus 6, that is 14 students watched. So thus we can say that 14 students spent more than 4 hours in watching the TV. So these are all the details we have collected from the histogram. Next question is, which form of graph would be appropriate to display the following data? Production of food grains of a state. So this is the given detail. So production they have given in each year: 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006, and the production in lakh tons. So 60 lakh tons, 50 lakh tons in 2002, 70 lakh tons in 2003, 55 lakh tons in 2004, 80 lakh tons in 2005 and 85 lakh tons in 2006. Now we'll see the solution. So how to identify what type of graph is suitable for this. So the given table gives the relation between production of food grains in lakh tons of a state against each year from 2001 to 2006. So the given data can be represented by using a bar graph. Now let's draw bar graph from the given table. So now I have taken this year on the horizontal axis from 2001, 2002, 3, 4, 5 and 6 along horizontal axis, and the production in lakh tons along the vertical axis. So I have taken in the units of 10 lakh tons for each unit. So now I am going to draw the bar graph now. So the first year is 2001. The production is 60 lakh tons. So for 2001, I have drawn a line against 60 lakh tons and I have drawn a bar here. So here if you note that all the bars we should draw of equal size. Then 2002 I have drawn for 50 lakh tons, so I marked here and I have drawn here for 50 lakh tons. Similarly for 2003 it is 70 lakh tons, and then 2004 it's 55 lakh tons, then 2005 it's 80 lakh tons, so I have marked it here, and then 2006 it's 85 lakh tons, so I have marked it here. So here all the bars are of uniform width, and the horizontal axis represents the year, against the vertical axis production of food grains in lakh tons. Next question is, which form of graph would be appropriate to display the following data? Choice of food for a group of people. So favorite food, number of people. So the favorite food is North Indian, it's liked by 30 people. South Indian food, it's liked by 40 people. Chinese food, it's liked by 25 people. And others foods, it's liked by 25 people. So the total number of people is 120, and there are 1, 2, 3 and 4 varieties of foods. 3 varieties and 1 is others. Now let us see what type of graph is appropriate for this table. So now this given table gives the relationship between choice of favorite food for a group of people. So we have a group of people. Among that group of people, we are dividing them into based on their favorite foods. So the data given here represents the whole, that is group of people. It represents the whole. And they liked the favorite food. It represents the part. So its given data can be represented by using a circle graph or pie chart, because the circle graph or pie chart represents the given data in the form of a part as a whole. So this type of tables we can represent using the circle graph or pie chart. Hope you have understood all the questions well. Thank you for watching the video.